Good morning. We are doing a one box break this morning, giving away two randoms at the end. Teams are as follows: J-Legs 49ers, Bucks Chiefs, Derek Steelers, Chargers, Packers, Jags, Bengals, Cardinals, Josh Vikings, Pats, Redskins, Browns, East, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Matt with the Eagles, Ryan with the Giants, Falcons, Panthers, Bears, Colts, and Seahawks. Those are your teams. This is the box, going to have 4 autos, and then we're going to give away the last 2 quarterback packs. I'll do a quick random for those, and then I'll do a quick random for the order. Depending on who gets them, I got thoughts on how to do it, but I'll talk to you guys later about it. This is a press pass box. I think I've only opened one of these. Usually this is 4 autos, and then most of the time I think you get a couple numbered cards with it as well. 2013 is a weird year. You got some good stars in it, but not as really none of the big marquee quarterbacks in it. So it kind of allows 2013 to be a little cheaper usually. Weirdly designed box. Just styrofoam in the bottom. So looking for 4 autos. I mean, the big names, you got Eifert and Ertz, you got DeAndre Hopkins and Le'Veon Bell. But a lot of 2013 is even decent players like you got Alex Okafor, you got there's lots of Buckley. My brain's not working well this morning, but 2013 Keenan Allen, Kenny Carlo. There's lots of decent guys when you really look up the whole year. So hopefully we both 1 or 2 of them. Even like Glennon, I don't even know when that Glennon is right now. You know, they paid him a lot of money, and he's not playing. He's over there. Okay, 4 autos. Damaris King. First auto is Desmond Trufant. I believe that's a Falcon. I think he actually still plays pretty good. Desmond Trufant, not numbered. I'll look him up in a minute, but I'm pretty sure. Kenny Stills, Tyler Eifert, Jarvis Jones, Eifert, Bray, Klein. We have a Kenny Stills for the Saints, numbered out of 299. The Saints said to there's a rookie number to 299, Kenny Stills. Let's see if hey Ryan, how's it going, man? Saints. New Orleans Saints coming out of the random. I'm pretty sure Desmond Trufant's a Falcon, but keyboard sucks. By the Falcons, first round of the 2013 draft. Yep. Let's go into, I think you, right, Ryan? You got the Falcons? You do have the Falcons. Going to Ryan. Desmond Trufant for the Falcons. There you go. Okay, let's keep going. We got Gio Bernard. Eric Reed. Monte Teo. And your next auto is Quentin Patton. It's going to the 49ers, I believe. Two okay autos so far. Quentin Patton going to the 49ers. Going to J-Wag. 49ers are already out of the random. Okay. Back to it. Stephen Taylor, Matt Barkley, Monte Ball, Demontre Moore. See Pat. DeAndre, Jenks, Davon, Tyler Wilson, Mike Glennon. Lots of base in there. I'll catch up a couple of them. So 2 autos down. They're both okay. 2 autos to go. Probably get, honestly, one better, one worse. My assumption. Love a Keenan Allen. That would be nice. Saw Ryan Nassib before that. I'm sure Ryan wouldn't mind that. And Stephon Taylor. I don't know if he's still even in the league. I'm just going off the last card here. EJ Manuel. Wheaton. So hoping for 2 more autos and probably 1 more numbered card. Because I'm guessing what we're looking at here. Eddie Lacy. Oh, nice for the Dolphins. Out of 65, Deion Jordan. Now I think he's playing again. He was the one who got suspended, and I forget exactly what happened, but Deion Jordan, number 6 out of 65. Pretty sure he's a Dolphin. Third overall by the Dolphins. Maybe it's not outside. Okay, it looks to me like he is on the Seahawks now, was originally on the Dolphins. What's got Dolphins? I have with Dolphins? I did. So I'm getting Deion Jordan on 65. I see the last auto in here. Fingers crossed, it's a good one. Fingers crossed. Kenyon Barner, Zach Ertz, Octavius Mingo. Nice. Kayvon Austin on a 99. That's cool. I'm telling you, you gotta watch out for him. He's on the Cowboys right now and hasn't done much because he's been injured. But the kid's a home run hitter still. He had one ridiculous long touchdown earlier in the year for the Cowboys. For the Rams. That's actually, 2 top 10 picks. Kayvon Austin going to the Easton and the Rams. 2 top 10 picks in one box is a pretty good box, actually. Rams coming out of the random. think that's it. So let's see if we got any. Looking for one more numbered card would be nice. Now looking good. Lattimore. Well, that's gonna do it. Only one numbered card, which is a little disappointing. But honestly, two decent autos. Desmond Trufant. Actually, three decent autos. Tavon Austin and Kenny Stills are both still productive wide receivers in the league. Yeah, Jordan, first round, number 3 overall pick, get his head straight, and he might still have a career. Desmond Trufant, I think, has been very good. So that's 3 first-round picks. And then Quentin Patton, I don't know if he's still on the team, but I know had a decent amount of production for the 49ers at one point. Go through, see if there's any nice cards that I missed. There's DeAndre Hopkins. Cordell Patterson's having himself a nice year with the Patriots. Robert Woods. Eifert. Oates. Okay, I guess that is gonna do it. I'll put a couple of these guys in little sleeves for you. And then we will do the random with 2 quarterback packs and the order. I'm going to try to we'll say negotiate who gets what possibly, but we'll see who ends up getting these, and maybe it can be a win-win for everybody. If not, we'll go back to the real way we originally were doing it for the quarterback packs. We'll go from there. Okay. Go to random.org. Two. Get it? Okay, I'm going to assume that's good. Randomized 3 times. 1, Seahawks on top. Can we see that? Yeah, we got to be able to. 2, Cardinals on top. 3, Bears and Chiefs. Who's getting those random spots? Bears and Chiefs. J-Wags has the Chiefs. Who has the Bears? Ryan has the Bears. So Ryan, J-Wags, and Ryan. So now, let me go over here. So J-Wags and Ryan, I think I will probably be able to negotiate this out. Hopefully for both J-Wags, Ryan, and Derek's sake. If not, I'll do another random for the order. One, two, three. J-Wags, Derek, Ryan, a bunch of J-Wags, and then Ryan. So again, hopefully I can, I think I'm going to talk to the three guys who are in these packs and see if I can. J-Wags just wants the Steve Young card, so if we can negotiate out something that would be cool for everybody, everybody would get a guaranteed pretty good card, and we would go from there. So that is when I'm at. I will, next couple breaks we got coming up, some really, really nice stuff. I got a 2013 playbook. I got a 2017 draft picks, which is now loaded with talent, with Mahomes and Watson and all sorts of good stuff over there. I got a 2018 Sage box. I got a 2014 Prestige box. I got lots of stuff that's pretty nice coming up. So we'll be at least another week, maybe two. We'll see how guys file it. Thanks a lot, guys.